Okay.
Attention District 3. We're receiving numerous reports of a 1050 suspect heading southbound to the Petersburg interchange. Available units to respond.
Any more details there?
Vehicles, a blue GTO.
I'm nearby. I'll take the call for you.
Oh Lord, here we go.
This says Peter call. I got suspect in view. Pulling up on him now. Chase out, he's taking off. Code 3 chase. Dispatch, could you add some additional units to the ticket? I need some backup.
Roger, Bravo 2-6. Units have detailed and are en route.
Yeah, I lost him. He can't be far. Hold on. Disregard my last. I got a visual.
Bitch.
He just
You wanna get hit.
Units in the area be advised. The Code 6 suspect was last seen northbound near Forest Green Country Club. Containment will be set up ahead of his last known direction of travel. This call is still Code 6. Handle on TAC 3.
Dispatch, this is Charlie 2-4, closing in from the southeast of Code 6. Acknowledge quiet request. This is 2-4. We got a 1042 here, possibly hit and run. Maybe a wanted party. Stand by. He just blew by. I'm on him.
Oh, what the hell?
Please provide a situation.
So I need to escape the pursuit in less than 5. Okay.
District members be advised, we have a Code 6 suspect attempting to evade police. Driver has aggressively engaged members to avoid custody. Vehicles, a blue GTO.
I started quieter and I lost the vehicle.
Units on the pursuit. For your information, vehicle was last seen heading northbound past Heritage Heights. A quadrant will be set up around his last known direction of travel.
So I won already, just like that. Wow. Oh well.